Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to add an Apple logo on your Airpods Max. Now you got to keep in mind that the Airpods Max does not have any type of Apple branding on them that's visible. It's not on the outside material. It's not on the stems here, which is rubber silicone material. It's not on the headbands. And it's not even inside the headphones. As you can see there, you only have the right and the left. Unless you take them off, you could actually still see the Apple logo inside of them. But for the headphones itself, on the outside visibility, there is no type of Apple branding. But there is a way that you can add an Apple logo up front, especially on this metal material, which is a very good material to stick a decal in. Now, these headphones, they have magnets right here. There's a good chance that Apple could be making some magnetic, customizable magnetic plates that could be stuck on the headphones itself. So maybe Apple might do that, because I don't know why they will make a headphone with a blank surface here, no type of branding or anything like that. There's a good chance of that happening. But for the meanwhile, one thing you could do is to order some Apple stickers from eBay or Amazon. These are called Black Apple Decals for the iPhone. If you search that up on eBay and Amazon, you're gonna get a search result of these stickers in black colors. These are glossy black. These are not matte black. These cost me around anywhere between $6 to $8 per sticker. At least that's what it says on the website. From the seller I bought it from, he included 4 stickers in total, as you can see there, but of different sizes, from small, medium, and large. Now I do have an iPhone here with the original Apple logo, and as you can see there, these are the sizes, and the medium size one is the one that best matches the Apple logo on an iPhone. But since this surface is bigger than an iPhone surface, the large one would be the best choice. So let me get the large one here. The one thing you want to do is to clean the surface here with alcohol. Make sure the surface is 100% clean. Let me start by rubbing it in inside the middle, on the middle, or any other place you're gonna place the Apple logo to. Now, one thing you could do is get a cotton shirt and start by drying it even faster. Now, once the surface has been cleaned with alcohol, make sure everything is spotless, no type of grease or oil is on the surface, so that the stickers, the decals, will stick even better and for a longer period of time. Now, one way you could do to install these decals, you could do it the proper professional way by getting a ruler and a pencil and start by drying out the middle part of these headphones. But honestly, I'm gonna just do it by hand. It's only a small little tiny sticker. It's not like I'm installing a huge 10-inch decal on a laptop, and that's different. So I'm gonna start eyeing this out, making sure that the Apple logo looks good in the place I'm gonna put it at. I think the middle looks nice. Let me just try to lower it down and see how it looks if I have it lowered. And I don't know if it looks good when it's lowered. Yeah, I think the middle is gonna be the best place, because this way it looks very even. So let me start by doing it in the middle. Let me start by peeling it off. Oh no. Oh, there we go. That was close. Because you got to make sure that the top of that Apple logo is on there, because if it's not and you try to install it afterwards, that piece could be way misplaced and the Apple logo is not going to look normal. Yeah, the Apple logo looks good from here. Alright, let me start by placing the sticker. Okay, is that nice? Let me see. I placed it halfway. And it does look good, so let me start by installing the whole thing now. There we go. How does that look? It's not in the middle. I tried to put it a tiny bit to the bottom. You know what? I don't think that looks good at the bottom. It has to be right in the middle. And I don't even know if I could take this off. Let's see if I could take it off with the spudger. Yeah, I can't. Yeah. I guess it looks pretty nice. Yeah, I should have used a pencil and the ruler to install the decal, but let's do the other side here. Maybe I'll do it with the other Apple sticker in the future, but let me just see how this looks like for the meanwhile. So as you can see, this is how the Apple logos look like on these headphones here, and they look very nice. They look like an Apple product for sure now, since the Apple logo is on the actual case of these headphones here. It looks like the newer MacBook Pros and MacBooks laptops for the space gray models. And overall, they look very, very nice. Again, they look like an Apple product as soon as you see these in public. Alright, so I decided to remove the old decal and install the new one, but much higher. And sticking it much higher looks way better than having it lowered, because now it looks more original and looks more like an Apple product. On the first picture, as you can see there, facing forward, as you can see, the Apple logo looks very, very noticeable. You can see that Apple logo from a long distance. And now, turning my head a bit to a different angle here, as you can see, the Apple logo is still noticeable. You can still see it with no problem, even tilting my head at a specific angle. Now the third picture, I tilt my head a bit way forward, even though the angle is barely visible. You could still view the Apple logo with no problem. Basically, you could tell that it's an Apple product since it has that black noticeable logo. Now, one thing I did to make these Apple logos more centered or closer to each other, so I got a ruler and placed the ruler at the end of the headphones so that the ruler is evenly placed. You want to mark the ruler where the bottom of the Apple logo is at. So that's around 1.5. So you write 1.5 on a piece of paper, going vertically. Then going horizontal, you want to do the same exact thing. And here, if I mark it here, it's at around 2 inches. So 1.5 vertically and 2 inches horizontal at the side of the Apple logo. And then you want to go onto your next ear cup here, and you want to mark that 1.5 with a pencil so that you know where you can lay the Apple logo from the bottom. And then you go horizontally and you go around 2 inches, which is on this side, at the side of the Apple logo, and that's where you mark it at. And as you can see there, it's evenly there because it's at 1.5 at the bottom and 2 at the sides. And that's where I placed my Apple logo at those markings. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.